This is self-soft tissue massage to your calf with a lacrosse ball, but specifically, we're gonna be working on the soleus, and we're gonna be doing our ABCs today, but in a different way than what you're probably typically used to doing. So this is a deep self-soft tissue release technique that you can use to your advantage to really help release the soleus muscle. So the soleus muscle is part of your calf musculature, and it runs from it comes off the Achilles tendon. It runs about from here up to here, mid calf. So we want to put our tennis ball right in the middle of our calf. So I've got the back of the leg. It's going to go right there, right in the middle. And then you're going to rest your leg on top of it. It's right in the middle of your lower leg. Okay, so here we are. This is not meant to be super comfortable. I just want to warn you. It's going to be a little uncomfortable, but we're going to get through it. And let's get right into it. With our ankle, we are going to write the letters of the alphabet. A to Z. The bigger the letters, the more range of motion at the ankle, and hence the greater amount of soft tissue you will be mobilizing with your lacrosse ball. So big, bold letters, A to Z. And as you're doing this, you could even like roll your leg in a little, you could roll it out a little. Just make sure that ball stays in the middle of your calf. And then after you complete one round of your ABCs, you're gonna do that on your opposite leg. And that is your self-soft tissue massage technique using a lacrosse ball to the calf, specifically the soleus muscle. Enjoy.